Understanding, pipe down. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, pipe down. If you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, then you're in the right place. Pipe down might sound a bit odd at first. Where does it come from? Historically, this phrase has naval origins. In the Navy, a pipe was a kind of whistle used to give commands. One of these commands was for lights out or for quieting down, and hence, the term pipe down came into general use, meaning be quiet or stop making noise. Now that you know its origin, let's explore its usage. The phrase pipe down is generally considered informal. It's a direct way to ask someone to be quiet. Here are a few examples. 1. In a movie theater, if someone is talking loudly, another person might say, "Could you pipe down? We're trying to watch the movie." 2. At home. If kids are playing noisily, a parent might tell them, "Pipe down, kids. Your baby brother is sleeping." 3. In a classroom. If students are being disruptive, a teacher might command, "Pipe down and pay attention." Remember, it's a bit direct, so use it when you really want someone to be quiet immediately. There are many ways to ask someone to be quiet in English. While pipe down is one of them, here are a few alternatives. Quiet down. This is quite direct, similar to pipe down. Hush, a more gentle way, often used with children. Keep it down, often used when the noise level is too high, like at a party. Each of these phrases has its own nuance, but they all convey the idea of reducing noise or being quiet. And that's our exploration of pipe down. English is filled with fascinating phrases and expressions, and understanding them can enrich your language skills. We hope you found this explainer helpful. Remember, language is all about context, so always be mindful of the situation you're in before using certain phrases. Until next time, happy learning!